how to upgrade to Windows 11. So if you would like to upgrade to Windows 11, if you're on Windows 7 or 10 or something like that, it's very simple. First, you open your browser, just type in Windows 11 official Microsoft or any search keyword. You'll find the first link from Microsoft that says download Windows 11. There are three ways to essentially install it. First is you can use the installation assistant, no matter whichever version of PC you're on, or you can create an installation media via a bootable pen drive, and then you can also download the ISO file depending on just what you want. If you do not have access to a hard drive or anything like that, I would recommend you just download the installation assistant. Now after you've downloaded installation assistant, when you run the Windows 11 installation assistant, it will prompt you with some of the things that you might need to install latest Windows 11. Now in my case, I'm already on the latest Windows 11. That's why you're seeing it says this device is already running the latest version of Windows 11. But if in your case you have not yet updated, you're on Windows 10 or older, you'll find the option to follow the on-screen instructions and upgrade your computer to Windows 11. So I hope this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.